right now, there is one AI skill that is quietly creating millionaires, but a lot of people are overlooking this skill. The crazy part is, this is not coding, this is not some overwhelming tech skill, and you don't need any experience to get started with this. In today's video, I'm going to break down the exact AI tool that beginners are using to build income online and how you can start using it today. This is by far one of the simplest skills I've ever came across, and this skill is AI powered digital product creation. This means using simple tools like ChatGPT and Canva to create simple products that people actually pay for without doing everything manually. So we're talking about ebooks, templates, guides, Notion templates. We're talking about ChatGPT prompts. We're talking about all products that you can sell. You can create them once and sell them online digitally and make income from it over and over again. And here's why this skill is creating millionaires. Because it combines speed, plus it's scalable, and it's very simple. So why is this skill so powerful? So we're gonna break it down. Let's break it down together. The number one reason why this skill is so powerful is because what used to take weeks can now take hours to be done. So this is something that you can do very fast. Number two is that you don't need any experience to get started with this. You don't need any fancy degree. So the thing about this is that it's a low barrier to entry. Beginners can get started with it also. And number three, it's scalable. You can create it once and you can sell it over and over and over again. Number four is that the demand is high. People are now buying shortcuts and things that will make their lives easier. People are also buying convenience and also simple solutions to their problems. So you see why these are in high demand, because one, they solve a problem, they're easy to create, it's scalable, it's something that you can make passive income from, and it's something that can also give you a life of freedom. Here's how beginners are actually using this skill right now. Step one, you want to pick a niche. Pick something that you already know how to do, something that people always ask you questions about, like if you know how to cook, if you know how to do planners or budget planners for people, whatever skills that you currently have right now. Step one is to actually niche down. Pick a category that you have some form of knowledge on. Step two, you're gonna use ChatGPT to generate these ideas. So it's okay if you don't have everything together in your mind. It's okay to not have everything, all the ideas together. And this is where the AI tools are so powerful. This is where the AI tools come in, because you can literally go to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT what you're good at, what you're able to do, what people always come to you to ask you about, and ChatGPT can literally put all of those things that you told it together and to help you to generate the ideas for your first product. Step three, you're going to create the content for your digital product, and this can also be done in ChatGPT. Then step four, you're going to design your product, and you can use a simple tool called Canva to design your product as well. Step five, you're going to sell your digital products. And the most common ways that people always do this is to just put their digital products on platform like Etsy or Gumroad. But what I would recommend is to create a website for your digital product. Create a place for it. So, for instance, I use beacons.ai to put all my digital products there. And once it is that you put your digital product on Beacons, then someone is able to click on the link and buy it from there. So, platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, they do charge a fee, to sell your products on the platform. Sometimes you'll also have a lot of competitions, but if you're able to come up with the digital product idea, create content around the digital products, post it on social media, use YouTube as one of your main traffic sources, then I feel that you can sell your digital products effortlessly if you build an audience or build tractions around your digital product. And that's basically it. You don't need a big team to get all of this together, and you don't need to be creating funnels and to be, complicating things all over the place. It's that simple. I want to also be very real with you. This isn't overnight success, because everything that you will have to do in life to get you somewhere, it's gonna take effort, it's gonna take action, it's gonna take consistency. And it's the people that are winning at this are the ones that are consistent, they're willing to do the work, and they stay focused, and they're also willing to take action. They are not overthinking, they are executing. And that is where you see success. When you stop overthinking all the ideas, jump from one side hustle to the next, when you stop doing all of that, when you stop thinking about a hustle and get that hustle mentality out of you, that's when you gradually are able to focus on something and build something that actually becomes successful. So here are some common mistakes and what stop most beginners from actually being successful at this. So they're waiting on perfection, trying to learn everything and not knowing how to use the AI tools correctly, and procrastinating and not launching at all. But I want you to remember that done is better than perfect every single time. If you want to actually take this AI skill and you're very serious about using it to turn into income, then I'm hosting an absolutely free live training this Thursday where I'll show you how to create your first digital product step by step, what to sell as a beginner, and how to get started. The link is in the description box down below. And don't forget to click on the link, save your seat, and I will see you there. This AI skill is not going away. And if anything, this is going to get bigger from 2026 moving forward. The question is, are you going to learn it, or are you going to watch everyone else win? What I want to implore you to do is to start now. Stay consistent, start messy, start unsure, just get started. And that is what separates the winners from the losers. That is what separates people that are successful from the people that are unsuccessful at these things, is because you wait and you never start. Once it is that you start, you learn along the way. You'll have experiences, you'll have skills, you would have developed skills that you didn't even know was possible. The thing about it is that I want to also share with you, when I just started, I was so afraid to even sit in front of a camera and, just to speak. I was terrified to start a business, to do anything at all. But what I did was I just got started. I felt some type of way, and sometimes you're gonna feel, some type of way. You're gonna feel the fear of being judged. You're gonna feel, are people going to like me? Or are people going to like my products? Are people going to buy? But I don't want you to use that as something to stop you. I want you to use that as your fuel to move forward. So I just want to encourage you to just start. You never know where this journey can take you. And always remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step. So if this video helped you, I want you to subscribe to the channel and also like this video. So without further ado, I'll see you in the next one, and don't forget to join my free live training on Thursday. I want to see you there. Bye for now.